Hi students, all of you welcome. Welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. I am Sunil Kumar Bandaru. Students, in this session, we are going to practice the very important MCQs on the topic of light. Recently, we have completed the theory part of the light. Okay, so now we are going to practice the MCQs. If you want theory, just click on the playlist. You can find out the theory sessions. Okay. First question, light is propagated as dash waves. We know very well waves are two types. In those two types, one is a mechanical wave. Another one is non-mechanical. We can also consider as electromagnetic wave. Okay, these mechanical waves again two types. One is longitudinal, second one is transverse wave. Okay, so here generally sound is a mechanical wave, and here all the particles vibrate parallel to the direction of propagation of wave. So you can say it is propagated as longitudinal wave. Propagated as longitudinal. Coming to the light. Light is a non-mechanical or electromagnetic wave. It can travel through the vacuum also. And it will be propagated as transverse. Propagated as transverse. All the particles vibrate perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. So light is propagated as transverse, sound is propagated as longitudinal. Okay. Coming to the next question, refractive index is dash. Refractive index is denoted by the letter mu, that is equal to C by V. Okay, C is the speed of light in vacuum by speed of the light in medium. Okay, so vacuum by medium. So answer is option A. Answer is option A. Okay, so here you can remember that C is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. That is a constant. So constant in the sense mu is inversely proportional to V. V is inversely proportional to mu. So speed of light is depend upon refractive index. Okay. So you are given three media A, B, C of refractive indexes of 1.33, 1.651. The medium in which the light will travel fastest. Just now I said na speed of light depends upon refractive index. Okay, if you want higher the speed, lower the refractive index. So lower the refractive index 1. So high speed. Speed is more. 1.65 speed is less. Okay, so 1 for C. C having more, and after that 1.33 A, after that 1.65 B. Okay, so light will be travel fastest in C. Higher the if refractive index is more, lower the speed. Okay, refractive index is less, higher the speed. So 1 is less, so speed is higher. Light takes how much time from sun to earth? It takes 8 minutes 19 seconds. That is 499 seconds. We know what is the distance between sun and earth? 14.96 crore kilometer. And what is the speed? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second approximately. So then what is the time? Time is 8 minutes 19 seconds. Okay. The objects which does not allow the light, those are opaque bodies. Opaque bodies. Let us take a wood, wall, and stones and metals. May not allows the light through them. Okay. And transparent allows light completely. Allows light completely. Example, glass. Translucent allows light partially. Example, oil paper. Okay. Coming to the next question. The linear magnification produced by plane mirror is dash. So Linear magnification is nothing but size of image by size of object. Image by size of object. Okay, image size VU. And in case of plane mirror, what you got? Image size is equal to object size. So that means M is equal to 1. In case of spherical mirror, we have two types now. One is a concave, one is a convex. So in case of convex, based upon the objective position, there may be a chance of V less than U, V is equal to U, V greater than U. All the three are possible. So that means V is less than U means M less than 1, M is equal to 1, M greater than 1. All are possible in case of concave, and in case of convex, images are always less than that of the size of object. So M always less than 1 only. Very important for convex. Okay, for plane always M is equal to 1, concave all are possible, convex M less than 1 only. So here equal to 1. When two mirrors are facing each other at an angle of 90 degrees and an object placed between them, the number of images formed will be dash. The number of images formed will be dash. The number of images formed will be 360 by theta. 360 by theta. If the number of images are, if the n is, or that is nothing but 360 by theta is odd. Condition for if 360 by theta is odd. If 360 by theta value is even, then number of images formed will be 360 by theta minus 1. That means if 360 by theta is odd, like nothing but 3, 5, 7, 9, whatever it may be, then n is also 3, 5, 7, 9 only. If 360 by theta values are even, 2, 4, 6, 8, like this, then n values 360 by theta minus 1. Minus 1 means 1, 4 minus 1 means 3, 6 minus 1 means 5, 8 minus 1 means 7. So from this you can say that is number of images formed always odd only. Correct? 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 or whatever it may be. So can say, can note down one important point. Number of images formed always odd only. Keep in mind this one. If they have given any even, so you can eliminate. Okay. So what is the theta they have given? 90 degrees. Okay. So then what is the n? N 360 by 90. That is 4. 4 is the even. So we need to subtract 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3. So the answer is option B. Okay. So like that we have to give the answer. So n is equal to 360 by theta. If 360 by theta odd value if you get, directly you can go with the answer. If you get the even value, then subtract with the minus 1. Subtract with the minus 1. Okay. Coming to the next one. The following, which mirror converges the light? We know very well converges means compresses. So if the reflected rays meet at one particular point, then you can say that is the converges. Okay. So I want to give one simple phenomena about mirrors and lenses. You know very well, mirror is a reflecting principle. Reflecting. Light will be reflected. Okay. We know lenses refracted. So light will go through the lens. It will be reflected back. So mirror we have two type, concave, convex. Here just use the opposite principle. Okay, just remember whatever I say in this session. So just remember only one thing, concave type of mirror converging mirror. Converging mirror. Okay. So if the concave mirror is the converging, what is the opposite of this? Concave opposite. Convex, na? That is diverging mirror. Diverging mirror. All of you getting? Very simple. If you remember, just concave is the converging mirror. Convex is the diverging type of the mirror. And mirrors are reflecting, lenses are refracting. That means these two are also opposite. Okay, here concave converging means here convex converging. Okay, or you can say concave lenses will be diverging, opposite of this. Okay, here convex diverging means convex here converging. Just opposite. Okay, so if you remember one thing, the other one will be just opposite. Once again, guys, mirror lenses, concave mirror converging. Okay, what is the opposite? Concave mirror converging means here convex lens will be converging. The same way convex mirror will be diverging in the sense. Which one is diverging here? Convex opposite. Concave will be diverging. Okay, just opposite principle. Very easy to remember. Okay, if you are not getting, watch it again. By scrolling, you can watch it again, then you can easily get. Which mirror? Mirror asking converging. So that is concave. Don't confuse with the mirror and lenses. Both are opposite, guys. Reflecting surface is inwards and outer surface is polished. So outer surface is polished. Outer is polished. Inner is reflecting. So it is like a inner side reflecting means inner side of the spoon. Inner side of the spoon in the sense concave shape. So it is a concave type of the mirror. So if you can consider convex, this is the convex shape, outer side of the spoon. Okay, so here we have reflecting surface is outer side and inner side is polished. Side is polished. This is the convex. Okay, so outer surface, reflecting surface is inwards, outer surface is polished, that is concave type. Mirror formula. Here so many students confusing this mirror formula and lens formula. It is a very easy, guys. So try to remember. If you are not getting, then try to make this trick. Okay. If it is a mirror formula or lens formula, the first point is common. That is, all the three terms are in the reciprocals. 1 by V, 1 by U, 1 by F. That means you have to note down in the reversal of alphabetic order. Okay. So V, U, F reciprocals. 1 by V, 1 by U, 1 by F. This is a common point for mirror or lens. Here just remember lens less minus. Less in the sense minus na. So lens less minus. So that means you have to take the minus here. So 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Here mirror plus. Lens is minus means mirror is plus. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, that is the second point. So you will get the answer. Mirror formula. Answer is option B. Here not in reciprocal. Easily eliminate. F is not reciprocal. Easily you can eliminate. All of you clear? So first point, all the three terms are in the reciprocal. Lens less minus. So in the lens you have the minus. In the mirror you have the plus. Okay. Refractive index of water with respect to air. So for water we have 1.33. Air is 1. So 1.33 by 1, 1.33. If you go with the diamond, that is 2.41. 2.41. Okay. What is the center of curvature of spherical mirror? I have explained in detail about this. If it is a spherical mirror, center of curvature is nothing but C. Okay. So what is the center of curvature of the spherical mirror? It is the center of total hollow sphere. Total hollow sphere. Center of hollow sphere, which the spherical mirror is one part. Okay. A spherical mirror is one part. And here we have the pole. Pole is nothing but from this part to this part. If it is the reflecting surface, if it is the reflecting surface, center of reflecting surface is the pole. Okay. The principal focus F is nothing but it is a meeting point. So it is a point on which principal axis through which rays of light parallel to the principal axis of reflection are appear to be arising from this point. That is, you can say it is a meeting point. Focus. Focal length of the spherical mirror. So we know very well what is the focal length of the spherical mirror. So it is the pole, center, it is the focus. From center to pole, we have the radius, correct? Focus to pole is the focal length. Focal length is nothing but focus to pole. So center to pole is radius, means from focus to pole is nothing but half of the radius. So radius of curvature by 2. So it is equal to half of its radius of curvature. It is equal to half of its radius of curvature. Okay. The diameter of the reflecting surface. If this is the reflecting surface, the diameter of this reflecting surface, this is nothing but aperture. Aperture. Okay. The focal length of a concave mirror with a radius of curvature of 20 centimeter. So they have given concave mirror. We know this is the principal axis. Here we have the pole. Okay. Here we have the center of curvature. Here we have the focus. What they have given? Focal length. We know from center to pole is the radius. From focus to pole is the focal length, that is radius of curvature by 2. So they are asking focal length, that is radius of curvature by 2, that is 20 by 2, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Actually, here the concave mirror here given na, so radius is generally negative. So radius is negative in the sense you have to get minus 10 centimeter, but they have not given minus term, so go with the 10. Okay, go with the 10. If they have given minus 10, so go with the minus 10. Center of reflecting surface of the spherical mirror. So this is the reflecting surface. What is the center? This is the center. So center of the reflecting surface is nothing but pole. So answer is pole. Okay. Which of the following regions of electromagnetic spectrum is called as light? So generally we know very well 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer is said to be a spectrum of light. We know 1 nanometer is nothing but 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, so that means 400 into 10 power minus 9 meter to 700 into 10 power minus 9 meter. So we know very well 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. So to make that one, I am going to add 1 0 here. 10 power minus 10 meter. 7000 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So you will get 4000 angstrom unit to 7000 angstrom unit. So in the VIBGYOR color, 4000 is belongs to violet and 7000 is belongs to red. Okay. You know very well VIBGYOR colors. Okay, so here nanometer given means 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, and our human sky is very sensible to 5500 bluish green. Our human eye very sensitive. Coming to the next question, the focal length of plane mirror. So plane mirror is like this. So there is a no radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is like infinity. So focal length also is considered as infinity. Infinity. In case of spherical mirror, that is radius of curvature by 2. What is the nature of image of the object found by plane mirror? So in the plane mirror, if it is the plane mirror, okay, if you place any object here, that is, let us take a 2 meter before the mirror, and object is also formed at the same 2 meter behind the mirror. So that means if you place in the negative x-axis, you will get in the positive x-axis. That means you can say it is a virtual. So always virtual. All the virtual will be erect. So in plane mirror, all the images formed will be virtual and erect. So virtual is there. So we can go with virtual. And what about the size? Size is same. Same size. Same size images. Okay, linear magnification is equal to 1. Linear magnification is equal to 1. And now coming to the questions are belongs to position and the nature of the images formed. So this will be we will discuss in the next session. Okay, in the next session. Okay, all of you, thank you so much for watching. And if you like my sessions, don't forget to click on like option. Please click on like, and also please share to all your friends, and also try to encourage me with your comments. Okay, thank you so much, guys.